everyone, and welcome back to the Myles Auto Care and Transmissions channel. Today we're diving into a topic that can make even the savviest drivers here in Pennsylvania scratch their head: emissions exemptions.
Yeah, I definitely heard people talking about this 5,000-mile exemption. What does exempt really mean for PA emissions? It sounds like a great way to skip the test.
That's a common thought. But here's the honest truth. It's not quite the skip the test moment you think it is. Even if you only drive your car Sundays for ice cream, you likely still have some steps to follow for your PA emission inspection.
Okay, so it's not a free pass. How does this whole 5,000-mile thing actually work then? Spill the beans.
All right, let's decode it. If your car drives more than 5,000 miles a year and fails PA's emissions inspection, you're required to get some specific emissions repairs done. Pennsylvania has a minimum amount that you need to spend on these repairs. And heads up, that amount can change, so it's always good to check with your inspector. Then if you spend the required amount on qualifying repairs and your car still fails the retest, that's when you might be eligible for a repair waiver. It's a structured process designed to keep cars as clean as possible.
Whoa, that is involved. Why is this system set up to be so detailed?
You hit the nail on the head. It's all designed to ensure that our vehicles are running as clean as possible for the environment. That's why our PA emissions inspectors aren't just regular technicians. We have to be specially licensed by the state. This helps ensure that we follow each step correctly and that we help contribute to clean air for everyone.
Makes sense. So aside from driving miles, what are the most common reasons cars fail emissions tests? What should I look out for?
The number one culprit, the big flashy sign that something's off, is your check engine light being on. That's your car's way of saying, hey, I got an emissions problem going on. It often points to issues with crucial components like oxygen sensors. These are like your car's little noses, sniffing the exhaust gases. Catalytic converter. This is a big one, a crucial and pricey part that cleans harmful pollutants. EVAP system leaks. Problems with your car's fuel vapor system, which can be tricky to find. And get this, sometimes it's as simple as a loose gas cap. Seriously.
So if my check engine light is staring at me, or I'm just confused about PA emissions, what's my next step?
Don't panic and definitely don't try to guess. That's where we come in. The expert team here at Myles Auto Care and Transmissions is here to make it easy for you. We offer certified PA safety and emissions inspections, thorough check engine light diagnostics to pinpoint the exact issue, and all types of emission system repairs to get you passing. If you have any questions or that persistent check engine light is still glowing, swing on by for a professional diagnosis here at Myles. We'll help you understand your emission requirements and get your vehicle running clean, efficient, and ready for the road. Is it time to get your car emissions ready? Find your nearest Myles at our convenient Berks County locations, now in Reading, Birdsboro, Singing Spring, and Wyomissing. We're here for all of your auto repair and car maintenance needs. Give us a call today. We're pretty good at getting cars to breathe easy and legally.